Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2018 Maserati Levante S GrandSport. Equipped with a 3-liter, 424 horsepower twin-turbo V6 engine and a ZF 8-speed automatic with paddle shift transmission. This SUV is finished in a beautiful Bianco exterior color and Rosso Nero full leather interior with high gloss carbon trim. This is an exceptionally clean Levante that comes well appointed, including factory warranty, navigation, Homelink system, black calipers, high gloss carbon trim, power heated seats, Panorama Sunroof, Harmon Kardon Premium sound, 20-inch Nereo Grey wheels, and much more.